Hello, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. Can a bad belt tensioner cause rough idle? Invariably, there is more to that functional engine in your vehicle that makes it move. So many other parts work together to get your vehicle in motion. However, such as the belt tensioner. The belt tensioner is a pulley system that keeps tension on the engine belts. However, you cannot overemphasize its efficacy in powering the engine accessories and protecting other components, like the alternator and water pump, from undue stress and untimely failure. Notwithstanding the above foreground, a bad tensioner, on the other hand, would cause squeaking and grinding noise when it slips, extremely high temperatures, cracks in the tensioner housing, excessive tensioner movements, rough idle, premature belt wear on accessories that are concerned with the tensioner belt. It is vital to replace a lousy belt tensioner or faulty idler to prevent your new serpentine belt from wearing and tearing out before its time or even slipping off its pulleys. So, the belt tensioner is moderately not expensive parts to replace if it goes wrong. But before we continue, please remember to subscribe to my channel, like, and share this video. Can a bad belt tensioner cause rough idle? The simple answer is yes. As much as the tensioner belt is essential, it pulls the timing belt tightly to enable it to swing smoothly in the engine. If the engine valve opens and closes effortlessly and the engine's valve is improperly functioning, the engine will lose power. Perchance would cause a rough idle since the engine cannot provide the correct energy. Can a bad belt tensioner cause vibration? Of course, yes, a bad or lousy tensioner belt causes vibration or shaking of the vehicle. Although, on the level of engineering, the design of a vehicle's accessory belt is a balancing act of efficiency, vibration, and force. So, the more contact a belt makes on a pulley, the more pressure or possibly energy transmitted without slipping, and the less tension the belt will need. So far, the belt tensioner has a dampener mechanism that is inside, connecting the arm to prevent wild movement of the belt tensioner's arm and pulley system. This dampener helps to keep the belt tension within a specification as the speed of the crankshaft and load may change. Additionally, the dampener is a sacrificial part that would tear and wear quickly. When it does, there is a rapid change in the belt tension. To this, the belt tensioner flutter and move excessively. Pressure fluctuations occur if the dampener cannot control the belt tensioner arm. The tensioner belt would oscillate between higher and lower levels, eventually slipping and catching, causing noise and vibration in the vehicle. Can a bad belt tensioner cause misfire? Certainly, yes. A bad belt tensioner would affect the engine's timing and possibly cause it to misfire. Perchance, the above means that a lousy tensioner belt will slip and cause the cylinders to open and close earlier than usual. The engine will run erratically or if it runs at all. So, if your machine is misfiring, a bad, loose or worn out belt tensioner is the cause, and you should contact a certified mechanic. Can a loose serpentine belt cause rough idle? Of course, yes. A serpentine is thus a long, winding belt that connects various accessories to the primary drive pulley system. So, when the engine turns the main pulley, the crankshaft spins, and on that motion turns the pulley. Regarding the pulley rotates, the serpentine belt moves and powers your car's accessories, such as the radiator fan, the alternator, the power steering pump, and the air conditioning compressor, to mention a few. Hence, a loose or faulty serpentine belt cause rough idle if your vehicle is variable assist power steering. In the same vein, the inability of the serpentine belt to function in line or properly with the power steering would become complex to steer your vehicle smoothly. Thus, you would have a rough idle as you struggle with the steering to control your vehicle. Similarly, a loose serpentine belt could also cause rough idle if slippage occurs and the alternator supplies power to the ECM. In this situation, there will be a voltage drop due to the inability of the alternator to provide electrical charges, which constitutes a loss of power. Can a loose alternator belt cause rough idle? Since an alternator is associated with the electrical functioning of any vehicle, a loose alternator belt would indicate that it wouldn't give enough power when there is a surging demand for energy. As much the alternator has to work harder than in other situations to restore the battery charge. So, if there is an insufficient supply of electrical charge to the battery from the alternator, the vehicle would have a rough idle, or even, at some point, the car may break down. Can a bad tensioner cause loss of power? A bad tensioner can cause a loss of power. Thus, it is realistic when a tensioner has had a tear and wear to its belt as it fully dislodges through. By seizing each component that relies on its mechanism for power will undoubtedly be lost. In essence, the alternator and power steering components would malfunction, resulting in a loss of control to be uncontrollable. What problems can a loose serpentine belt cause? As a driver, you should know that a loose or faulty serpentine belt can cause a lot of problems, such as 1. Overheating of engine. Since the water pump cools the engine, the serpentine belt which powers the water pump is faulty or loose, there will be no power in the water pump, and you cannot pump water that enhances your engine's cooling. Notwithstanding, the engine will overheat over time and could get damaged if you, the driver, keep moving your vehicle without a functioning water pump. 2. Poor driving experience. Your vehicle's performance difficulties often indicate loose, faulty, or bad serpentine belts, resulting in a loss of power. So, when you notice combined problems like rough idle, flicking lights whenever you start the engine, or even dimmed headlights and complex situations in creating your vehicle, you would for sure check on the serpentine belt. 3. Whining sound. If you notice a whining sound or noise that could increase or decrease as your vehicle speeds, that might be an issue emanating from a loose serpentine belt. Typically, when your serpentine belt is lousy, there is a possibility that the pulleys of other accessories connected to the serpentine belt will make a whining sound. I recommend replacing the serpentine belt if it has gone loose or faulty. Can a bad idler pulley cause rough idle? For sure, a bad idler pulley can, irrespective of its function, provide a free spinning rotation point for the serpentine belt to enable a proper route around the accessories of the engine. If it goes wrong, the serpentine belt and its arrangements will fail, and the failure or dislodgement of the serpentine belt will cause all components, such as the alternator, water pump, power steering, and different exhaust aspects that derive power from it, would malfunction, causing rough idle or shaking in the vehicle. In conclusion, it is indispensable that the belt tensioner is exceptionally vital in the functioning and proper operation of the accessory belt drive system. Similarly, it helps to maintain the correct amount of tension on all the components' duties to the cycle at all times. A bad tensioner belt can be a headache for you, the vehicle owner. Perchance, to the extent that it could cause rough idling, misfiring of the engine, the vibration of the vehicle, loss of steering power, and just a few to mention. But before it comes to the point where it is too late, you should be able to change and repair the necessary components. So far, your best bet is to have a seasoned certified mechanic who will proffer solutions to the problems we just mentioned. This is all we've got in today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and share this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.